In my last video, when we were solving the questions on system of equation, due to technical error, I stopped at this question. Now let us continue. Look at this question. Clearly it is a homogeneous one, homogeneous case. So make a matrix. Now if you find out the determinant of this matrix, this is equal to 0. If the determinant is 0, then how you will find out determinant? Use your calculator. If you don't know how to do 4 cross 4 matrix, please see the video I have uploaded to use the calculator to find out the determinant value. Okay. Now the moment I say that determinant of A is 0 means the rank of A is less than 4. 4 means the number of unknowns, right? So rank of A can be 3, can be 2, can be 1. Now if in exam the question is only to check whether the solution is trivial or non-trivial, we are done. We will say the solution is non-trivial here. Okay, non-trivial. But suppose if they ask you find all the solutions, in that case you have to work little bit. You have to reduce this to echelon form. Without reducing also you can do, but it will become very lengthy. So better you apply the row operation and make it. So in R2 you apply R2 minus R1. In R3 you apply R3 minus 4R1. And in R4 you apply R4 plus 2R1. Now when you apply these operations, what you will get? Let's have a look. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, then 0 0 2 2. Okay, next 0. Now minus 4 minus of minus 4, so 0. 4 plus 4, so 8. 0 minus of, so this will become 4 because we are multiplying first row by 4. Now last one. So we are adding now. Okay, so 0 multiplying by 2 and add 0. Then here it will become, when you multiply by 2, this will become minus 2. If you add, it will become minus 4. Okay, and then the last number 1 and minus 2 you have multiplied, so minus 1. Correct? So now, okay, so I got this thing. Now the next one is that if I move diagonally, this number is already 0. So I should move diagonally to this number 8, and using this I should make this 0. Clearly they are multiple of each other. So I can also divide third row by 4. So it will become easy for me. Now if I divide it by 4, I'll get 2. But here it is 4 and I want to make this 0. So smartly I can divide it by 2 rather than 4. So I'll get 4. Then if I add, I'll get 0. Right? So let me rewrite the given matrix. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0 0 2 2, 0 0 4 2. Intentionally I have done. I could have done by 4, but to make my question easy I did like this. Okay, so that next operation will be easy. Now what you do? In R4 you do R4 plus R3. So what you will get? 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0 0 2 2, 0 0 4 2, 0 0 0, and this will become 1. Correct? Because we are adding it. Now I can make this number also 0. If you observe, this 4 also I can make 0 by using this. So actually if I would have started with this, I could have made these two numbers simultaneously 0. Right? So let me do that. That is a much smart way to handle the question. So what I'll do? In R3 I'll do R3, okay, minus R2, 2R2, and in R4 I'll do R4 plus 2R2. Now see what I am getting. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0 0 2 2, 0 0. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Next one 0, 0. Now I am adding, but 0. So minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 will be 3. Right? So I got this. Now in the next step, if you observe, these two numbers are there. I can make this 3 also 0. I can make this also 0. Right? So in R3, I am using this number. Okay. If you want, you can divide it by 1. So it will become 1, 1. 2, then it will become 1, 1. So in R3, you apply R3. Okay. Plus 2R2. Now see, if you do this, this 0 will go. So no need to do this. This will create problem for us. Even if I use this row in 4th row, it will create problem. So now R2 I will not use, because R2 has 1 here and 0, 0 here. It will disturb the structure. So I can use only this number to make these two numbers 0. Right? So I will not touch R2. I'll touch R3 and make this 0. Right? So divide this R3 by 2. So this will become minus 1. So in R4, you can apply R4 plus 3R3. This will give me 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct? Now, if I solve this, this represent x, y, z and w. No, I think I have taken x1, x2, x3, x4. Right? So I'll write minus x4 is equal to 0. Then x3 plus x4 is equal to 0. Then x1 minus x2 minus x3 minus x4 is equal to 0. Right? So x4 is clearly 0. x3 is also 0. So I got x4 is equal to 0. I got x3 is equal to 0. Now here if you substitute x1, I'll get x1 is equal to x2. So this is a relation. See here rank is equal to 3, and if you see rank is equal to 3, variables are 3. So to one variable you can assign any value. So I can take it as x2. So if x2 is t, x1 is also t. So this type of answer I'll get. So in my next video, I'll show you another question of this type. Let's connect again. Thank you.